Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Creating mosaic garden pathways is a beautiful and creative way to enhance the aesthetic of your garden while also providing a functional walking surface. Mosaic pathways can be made using various materials, including broken tiles, glass, stones, or even seashells. Here are step-by-step guide on how to create mosaic garden pathways. Materials you shall need. Pavers are stepping stones. These will serve as the base for your mosaic tiles. You can use ceramic tiles, glass tiles, or any other durable and weather resistant materials. Tile adhesives. A strong outdoor adhesive designed for your chosen mosaic materials. Garut. Choose garut that complements your mosaic design and is suitable for outdoor use. Safety gear. Gloves, safety glasses, and a mask to protect yourself while working. Steps to create mosaic garden pathways. Design your pathway. Plan the layout and design of your mosaic pathway. You can draw your design on paper or directly into the pavers or stepping stones for reference. Prepare the surface. Clean and dry the pavers or stepping stones thoroughly if you are working with an existing garden path. Make sure it's in good condition. Break or cut the mosaic materials. If you are using tiles or glass, break them into smaller pieces using tile nippers or a tile cutter. You can also use a hammer or safety glasses for this step. Arrange the pieces to create your desired mosaic design. Apply adhesive. Apply a layer of outdoor adhesive to the surface of the paver or stepping stone. Make sure the adhesive is evenly spread. Place the mosaic pieces. Carefully place the mosaic pieces onto the adhesive. Following your design, press each piece firmly into the adhesive, leaving a small gap between them for growth. Use gloves to protect your hands. Allow it to dry. Let the adhesive dry completely following the manufacturer's instructions. This may take several hours or even overnight, depending on the adhesive used. Apply growth. Mix the grout according to the manufacturing instructions. Separate the grout over the mosaic, pressing it onto the gap between the mosaic pieces. Use a grout float to smooth and level the grout. Clean the mosaic. After about 15 to 20 minutes, when the grout starts to set but it's still slightly wet, use a damp sponge to wipe away excess grout from the mosaic pieces. Final cleanup. Once the grout has dried completely, use a soft cloth to buff away any remaining grout has on the mosaic pieces. Creating mosaic garden pathways can be a time-consuming but